Hello everybody and welcome to the Travels of the Four Queens. And for this trick we're going to need 4 face cards, and I'm going to be using my favorite deck, the Bicycle Vintage deck. Very cool. So I got to find the 4 queens. So the Queen of Hearts, Queen of Clubs, Queen of Diamonds, and the Queen of Spades. Now, as we're going to see, these queens are going to take quite a journey here in a moment. So we've got the Queen of Spades, Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Clubs, and the Queen of Hearts. I'm going to set the queens off to the side for a moment. Put the deck here. Now, many of you might have heard of the idea of palming a card, and it's something that magicians do when we want to hide a card or put it in our pocket or put it in someone else's pocket. So if I were going to palm this card, the Queen of Hearts, I'd wave my hand over the deck, palming it off into my hand, and then I can use that for various effects. But I learned a move called an invisible palm. And it's the same motion, taking my hand, waving it over the deck, palming off the queen, but doing it invisibly, so you can't see it. But watch, when I wave my hand over the first queen, just like this, the second queen materializes on top of it. Let's try it again. Take the queen, palm it off invisibly, wave it over the first 2 queens, and just like that, 3 queens. We'll try it one more time. Taking the Queen of Hearts, palming it off the deck invisibly, waving it over the first 3 queens, and just like that, 4 queens. But with a little bit of magic, the 4 queens take a journey, transforming into the 4 aces. Now, what many people think is that the queens never left the top of the deck. But if we take the first card off, we see it's not a queen. Take the second card, it's not a queen. The third card, because the queens transformed into the 4 aces, and that's the journey of the 4 queens.